Welcome to the installation of Wozart Switch Controller. These are the simple tools you need to connect Wozart to your switchboard. Understanding the Wozart Switch Controller. As you can see at the back of the device, there are slots provided. N for neutral, P for phase or live, loads L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5, and a unique setup code to pair your devices. On the side of the device is the switch connector slot, and an antenna for Wi-Fi connectivity. Before we proceed, make sure you identify the loads you want to automate, and their corresponding switches. Now, switch off the power supply to that particular switchboard. Open the switchboard panel and unscrew as shown. As you can see, every switch will have two terminals in the back. One terminal will be connected to their corresponding loads. The other terminal will be commonly connected across all the switches, through a naked wire. Take the neutral wire from your switch socket, if present in your switchboard, and connect it to the N slot of the switch controller. If there is no switch socket present in the switchboard, neutral wire will be an unconnected black or blue wire behind the switchboard. Disconnect the first load and connect to the slot L1. Repeat the process for remaining loads. Please note that heavy loads, up to 1000 watts, can be connected to loads L4 and L5. After connecting all the loads, disconnect the live or phase wire from the switchboard, and connect it to the P slot of the switch controller. Before moving on to next stage, separate or isolate the automated and non-automated loads. Now, take the switch connector wire provided with the switch controller. Take the yellow wire and connect it as common for automated switches. Connect the green wire to the first load of your switchboard. Similarly, connect the orange wire to the second load on the switchboard, red wire to the third load. Brown wire to the fourth load, and black wire to the fifth load. Once completed, plug in the connector to the switch connector slot on the device. Fit the device in the switch box carefully and close the switchboard. Now, switch on the power supply to the switchboard. Configure the device to the Wi-Fi and control it from your smart devices. Make sure all the connections are tight and secure before turning on the power.